What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Optimism. Quite a lot to talk about, so let's get right into it. We'll take a look at some fundamentals I wanted to talk about, which are, well, mainly this, but also something else. And I'll do a full technical overview. So basically you're prepared for everything. So let's get right into it. Before we get into that, if you want to receive trading signals, including on Optimism, then check out the links down in the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find instructions on how to join. So first of all, Optimism right now is doing pretty well. They have the Bedrock upgrade coming the 15th of March, which is pretty bullish. That's almost in a little bit over a week. So I expect bullish momentum ahead of that. Apart from that, if you take a look at the general market structure of OP, if you zoom out, if you do something like this, what you'll see is that, all right, sure, on the short term, we're in a downtrend, all right? And the fundamentals in the market are not great either. So are we already broken out of this downtrend right now? No, we could very well still continue the downtrend. But if you zoom out, you can also see that we're also kind of in a consolidation like this. Which would mean that we have hit the lower bound of the consolidation, if you assume that this was a fake out, and that we can now continue up to those higher bounds of the consolidation right now. So there are a lot of things kind of playing against each other. You have the upgrade for Optimism, which makes it fundamentally bullish. Then you have this market structure that makes it fundamentally bullish as well. But then you have the market around Optimism, which is a little bit bearish, and in general, we have been in a downtrend since the 24th of February. So that's why I wanted to make this video, kind of giving you my thoughts on what's most likely. And right now, what really helps Optimism, in my opinion, is that I think, and that's my belief, that's my analysis, of course, but I think that Bitcoin will actually be relatively bullish in the upcoming days. That does depend, though, on what Jerome Powell is going to say in his testimony tomorrow, which is in precisely 24 hours from now. So probably like 23 hours from when this video was uploaded. That's still going to matter a lot, but I think initially in the upcoming 24 hours, Bitcoin is going to be bullish. So that could actually help OP, could actually help Optimism, because right now it's not looking that great. Even though, as I said, you could say that the market structure is consolidating, we are going to hit a major resistance level right here between 2.55 and 2.7. There's so much resistance that it's going to be hard. Initially, I think we'll find resistance there and actually drop back down to 2.4. Now, if Bitcoin actually is then bullish, gets up to 22,700, 22,900, then I think Optimism can rally at least up to 2.9. But it really is a prerequisite that Bitcoin is relatively bullish. All right. I know that the fundamentals for Optimism and a particular way of looking at the market structure looks bullish for OP as well. But if Bitcoin does not allow it, if Bitcoin is going to stay stable or even bearish after the news tomorrow, there's just not going to be enough bullish momentum to do something like this. And what's going to happen is that after the initial drop I'm expecting, we're never going to break above 2.55 and 2.7, and it's more likely that we'll drop down to 2.1 and $2. So that will happen if Bitcoin is not at least relatively bullish. Does not at least move up to like 22,600, 700, that level. I'd say we really need that. Even though we have bullish fundamentals for OP as well, I think we need that to actually be bullish in the market circumstances we have today. But that's my full take on OP. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.